A company that's gotten popular by producing moped-style electric bicycles is trying to build on its success and is exploring new e-bike classes and styles. Their new model is called Rip Racer. Just like the majority of the brand's previous models, it's riding on fat, all-terrain tires. The 20 by 4-inch tires look especially exciting on the Rip Racer, considering its compact size and weight of just 55 pounds. The size is said to be a good fit for city dwellers that need to transport their bikes inside elevators or find room for it in an office. The company claims that despite the size, this bike is suitable for riders from 5 feet to 6 feet 3 inches. Rip Racer will be offered in Class 2 and Class 3 e-bike configurations. The Class 2 configuration will have 750 watts of continuous and 1,040 watts of peak output. The motor will be paired by 52-volt, 10.4 amp-hour battery pack and let you reach the speed of 20 miles per hour. The Class 3 model will put out 750 watts of continuous and 1,300 watts of peak output, thus enabling you to reach 28 mile-per-hour speeds. With a 52-volt, 15.6 amp-hour battery pack, this Class 3 e-bike will let you travel between 23 and 80 miles depending on the amount of pedal assist you use. For the 2022 model year, the Rad Power Bikes are updating one of their most popular utility bike models, the Rad Runner. New and updated Rad Runner 2 received a variety of upgrades. The list of comfort improvements features a revised step-through frame, seat with more cushioning, and long cargo rack. Besides being suitable for transporting goods and packages, the rack would be repurposed into an additional seat. If you opt in for a passenger kit accessory with foot pegs and a wheel skirt, your Rad Runner 2 will become suitable for carrying a friend. The passenger kit is only one of 333 accessory options that Rad Power Bikes are offering for this model. The technical specifications are very similar to the original Rad Runner. It's still powered by a single-speed drivetrain with a 750-watt output and 20 miles per hour speed capabilities. The bike's 48-volt, 14 amp-hour battery pack is rated for up to 45 miles of riding with pedal assist and 25 miles of throttle-only riding. This battery-powered two-wheeler can be adjusted for riders with the height between 4 feet 11 inches and 6 feet 2 inches. It can be used to carry up to 300 pounds of cargo and is rolling on 20 by 3.3-inch puncture-resistant tires. Revolt Bikes is a Barcelona-based bicycle shop that's known for mixing retro designs, featuring a variety of handmade elements with modern electric powertrains. Their current lineup consists of various cruisers and moped-style models, with Ringo being the newest and most compact of them all. Revolt Ringo measures 66.4 inches in length and 38 inches in height and 27.5 inches in width. Despite such compact dimensions, this model can carry a rider and a passenger thanks to its moped-style elongated seat with leather covers. This e-bike is equipped with a 250-watt motor that can provide electrified assist through one of the available pedal assist modes. It has a 45mm double-crown fork in the front and a set of 20 by 4-inch fat tires, so the model can comfortably cruise both on the tarmac and in off-road conditions. Ringo is sold with 4 removable battery pack options. The base option is represented by a 36-volt, 10.5 amp-hour unit, good for 25 miles of riding, while the top-of-the-line battery offers 37.5 miles of riding thanks to its 48-volt, 14 amp-hour credentials. Urban Drive Style, a Berlin-based bicycle manufacturing company, entered the e-bike scene back in 2016. The first model was a quirky electric moped with awesome retro styling and a decent set of utility features. The brand's more recent creation is much smaller in size, but not deprived of the brand's unique design choices. Urban Drive Style 204 is a compact commuting bicycle that was inspired by the BMX movement and engineered to incorporate work and recreational use scenarios at the same time. The 204 model is offered in two modifications, the base hardtail bike and a modification with a full suspension system called the Panza. Both models are riding on fat 20 by 4-inch tires and are powered by electric motors rated for 500 watts of continuous and 750 watts of peak output. The battery pack options are represented by 48-volt units with either 662.4 or 828 watt-hours of capacity. The more potent battery unit is said to provide up to 50 miles of pedal-assisted riding, while carrying riders up to 330 pounds. The T1 is a brand new option for those who need a compact cargo e-bike with a good value pricing. The model is offered with a 750-watt electric motor that's pushing its power through a 7-speed seamless shift system. The bike's powertrain is coupled with a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery pack that will let you cover up to 90 miles with a pedal assist system engaged. The electric assist will be applied up to the speed of 32 miles per hour. The bike is rolling a set of cast wheels with 20 by 4-inch tires. The use of fat tires with an anti-skid tread pattern alongside front suspension forks made this model a decent option for mixing terrain riding. The cargo carrying equipment of the T1 is represented by a front basket in the rear and a wooden deck in the back. Other noteworthy features of this e-bike include adjustable settings to cater to the needs of riders with heights between 5 feet and 6 feet 5 inches, disc brakes, and an LED display for showing key performance metrics. Voyager was built with extreme versatility in mind. Besides handling the most common city commuting and cargo-carrying tasks, this model has fat 20 by 4-inch tires, a coil-sprung suspension fork, 2-piston mechanical disc brakes, and durable components for taking on overlanding trips where paved roads are a rarity. If you do decide to option your overlanding rig with this e-bike, its folding construction with collapsible body elements will come in handy. As a result, the Voyager bicycle is ready for transportation in a trunk of an SUV or inside an RV. The Voyager's electric powertrain is represented by a 750-watt hub motor, a 7-speed SRAM system, and a 48-volt and a 12.8 amp-hour battery pack. With such powertrain setup, you can travel up to 48 miles when a throttle power or one of the pedal assist models are engaged. It should be noted that the motor will provide electrified support up to the speed of 25 miles per hour. Besides having a spacious rear rack, the Voyager supports cargo bags, attachable trailers, and a variety of add-on elements that could be obtained in the brand's official store. The bike's overall cargo carrying capacity is set at 325 pounds. A company from Copenhagen has developed a compact fat tire bicycle called the A1. This two-wheeler features a step-through frame for the ease of mounting. Moreover, the bike could be offered in one of 4 available color variations of the frame. This bicycle is currently offered in 4 trim levels: Dynamic, Dynamic Plus, Intense, and Intense Plus. They vary in terms of electric motor power and battery capacity. The A1 dynamic bikes are equipped with 250-watt motors and a battery pack options ranging from 14.5 to 17.5 amp-hours. They offer either mechanic or hydraulic disc brake options and are supplying motor power through the pedal assist system only. Consequently, they can be used both in Europe and in the US without any additional paperwork. The A1 Intense models were created for those who need better riding dynamics. They come with 750-watt motors and are equipped with a thumb throttle. We would really like to hear your opinion about the lineup in the comments section. Don't forget to mention other exciting models that we may have missed. Rate the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. More exciting EV content is on the screen. Just follow the links. See you soon.